When it gets hot like this, honestly, all I really want is a seltzer or maybe even a natural flavored soda. But I'm going to be good and make some juice. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in Working Shopper. Today I bought some more of those muffins. Blueberry, apple, cinnamon, banana nut, and Boston cream. And I'm going to eat this one right now and save the rest for later. Look at that. Split that so you can see the inside of it. Here we go. Oh no! Oh no! I didn't expect that. Okay. You know what? I think all the cream oozed out into the paper. So I lost my early access for DoorDash. I haven't been working that much. My acceptance rate is in the red right now. This is so messy. Oh my goodness. There's the rest of that cream. Well, this whole thing just fell apart. Oh my goodness. So because I don't have early access, I can't pick my hours. until tonight at midnight. With early access, you can pick them at 3 p.m. So I just have to wait and make sure I'm still up at midnight to choose the hours. Which actually has kind of been annoying because I forget. And then when I wake up in the morning, the hours are already gone. Hi there.
Told me it was down here.
Good luck finding it.
Went into the store to the other.
Okay, testing the pineapple for ripeness. Okay, it came out easily. Let's cut into this baby. Okay, here's the pineapple. This is my first pineapple this spring and my first apricot this spring. So let's go for the apricot first. I was expecting it to be tangy, but it's not. It's juicy. This is a good one. It's not as sweet as it could be, but I'm impressed by the sweetness that it's at this early in the season. Berries too. These are always a hit or miss. But they're good. I never know how to tell when these are going to be sweet or not. All right. The star of the show. I can't cut straight. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. I've seen a video where they put this in water and it sprouted. I might try that. I might try that. Here's my sprouted avocado. I don't know when I'm supposed to plant it though. I've been keeping it in this tissue. I don't know how. I've got to do some more research because I don't know when I'm supposed to plant it. Ooh, there we go. Okay, first bite. Mmm. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Three for three on the fruits today. The apricot was sweet, the berries are sweet, and the pineapple is perfect. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. This tastes like I'm sitting in Hawaii and getting one of those freshly sweet and eating a freshly ripened pineapple. Mmm. So I've prepared red skin potatoes for boiling. I'm going to make something simple like smashed potatoes. And for seasoning, I'm using onion powder, thyme, celery, sage, pepper, and salt. Alright, at the last minute I decided to swap out the onion powder for garlic and butter. And for other vegetables I have broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, yellow squash, some peas, when they're done, I'm going to add onion powder, satar, and I'm going to chop some olives in there. Alright, let's plate this, you guys. I'm eating this with some leftover naan. I don't have any pita. And I'm going to add my seeds. I have black sesame, hemp hearts, flaxseed, and pepitas.